watched the news for too long. Should've chewed with my mouth closed, but now inside the house, swear I don't belong. I'm in golf cart quarantine. The house has never been so clean. The past 3 years have been the longest week I've ever seen. I'm in golf cart quarantine, and I hope there's more Tiger King. I just can't believe I missed 2019. I've got nowhere to go, but I can get there real slow. Stocked up on TP, but the snacks are all gone. Talked politics on Facebook and did everything wrong. I'm in golf cart quarantine. The rides are few and far between. Stay 6 feet away, wash your hands twice, and don't make a scene. I'm in golf cart quarantine. I guess I'll watch some more TV.